Hello everyone, I'm Iris from My Supercar Expert. There's good news for you guys. We are working on the Carplay installation video. What we will next McLaren model we are working on, now that many others are left now. Okay, you can see the Carplay here. The installation is not complex. You don't need to take out everything down. You just connect several cables and the total time is about 15 minutes. Everything will be done.
This is a set of Carplay for Mclaren GT. So this is the main module. These are power and communication cables. The white plug over here goes to the Carplay module. The green one connects to the green plug of the original Iris head unit. So we need to unplug the one which is on the head unit and put this side, and then this one goes to the head unit, so it stays in the middle. It's the same thing for the video cable. This blue plug goes to the Carplay module. The teal ones are in the middle between the original car connector and the head unit. So next step is the USB cable. You can connect USB to a Carplay by wire and make update, and the white connector goes to the McLaren CarPlay module. So now let's try to install it. Lower the backrest of this seat. Then we need to open over here, we remove this cover. Here there are screws. After we remove, we will see the head unit right here. So let's unplug the blue one, which is for video. To unplug it, we grab this buckle and pull it off. Then we connect the blue to the teal and the other teal directly to the head unit. And that's it. Now we need to do power supply. Let's unplug the green connector and put ours. There is a clip over here, so first to pull out this white clip a little bit and then pinch the plug to remove it. Okay, so now our CarPlay is connected. After this, we need to just set a position for the main module and block it with zip ties. Now let's connect by Bluetooth. We select the Bluetooth by Bluetooth the phone connection to the CarPlay module. In this case, it's 2118, and we are already in. Now we can try to play some music, but we will hear nothing. We need to go back to the original head unit, to the Iris view, and connect the phone to the Bluetooth of the car Iris module. So here is McLaren 6765LT. We connect to it, just like we normally will do. And now we are connected. Now we should be able to stream media from the phone to the car. So we can select Bluetooth as an output channel, and we can hear music. Now we can switch back to CarPlay, and we can try to use Siri and use all the functions.
Hey Siri, call 186-1735-7521. Okay, it works. Hey Siri, open QQ Music. Okay, it works. Open the Google Maps. Send me to Beijing. Okay, it's done. So we also have another way to connect the CarPlay. Is use the USB cable. You can just use the USB cable and to connect the phone. That's all.